Well, hello and welcome everyone to Kenny Bear's Arms. Today, we're taking a look at probably one of my favorite weapon platforms that I have purchased myself here, and this is my Foxtrot Mike 9mm. This is a upper and lower by them, and when I first got this platform, I was very confused, as it has most of the AR controls that you're all familiar with, and it's pretty much all ambidextrous. So we have a bolt catch, bolt release right here. And when I first got this platform, that didn't function, and I could not figure out why it wouldn't function. Well, I finally reached out to Foxtrot Mike. They emailed me back and said, hey man, guess what? Yeah, your upper doesn't have that function. And I was like, well, that's lame. If you want that function, you have to modify the upper. And that's what I did. Not very cleanly, mind you, but I did, and guess what? Yep, it locks back now. Bolt release functions. So happy. And I can drop it back. We're good to go. So, oops, probably bashing my microphone there. I'm sorry about that. You guys, I'm super happy with this platform now that I have that functionality back in my something. Yeah, I'm very happy with it. Basically, all I had to do to get this functionality back or on this platform here, I just went to the garage, took the upper off, put it in a vise, and I just kind of made a Sharpie mark indentation where this would go. And I just took a Dremel and kind of sawed that out a little bit, and kind of took a little like polishing or sanding brush tip kind of thing, and just ground it down until it was nice and smooth and not catching on anything. And now all it does is catch on the last round bolt hold open feature, and it works flawlessly now. So I can go to the range, reload, drop that bolt like that. Sorry if that's super loud. I probably shouldn't do it that way, but that's okay. That's how I fixed it. That's all I did. It works great now. I don't know if there's going to be any long-term issues with having that, but I can't really see personally any long-term issues with doing it this way. I just took a little high temp paint and dabbled that on there, on that little where the exposed metal was, and now we're off to the races with this feller, and I'm much happier with this platform now that I can use it more like a traditional AR style platform. Mainly because, well, it has a bunch of AR controls on here, so why not use it as such? I don't know why this upper didn't come with the last round bolt hold open off the line, but maybe that's because maybe this upper was designed for a different lower that doesn't use that style something. I'm not really sure exactly what. I don't know. I bought them separately. They weren't together when I bought them. I bought the upper and the lower separately, and now they're together, living in good harmony. What color should I paint this? I kind of want to paint this platform a different color, but I don't know what color to paint it. Any suggestions? Leave them in the comments down below. I was thinking maybe like a green or something like that would be kind of neat, but I'm not really sure how this polymer lower would handle paint and stuff. Probably just fine, but I think it'd be kind of fun to paint something. I haven't painted anything yet, so that's another idea for another video. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I'll leave it there. Like, comment, consider subscribing if you're new here, and take it easy. Be well. See you in the next one.